Morning student, this is your computer class. Today we learn chapter number 6, app development. Okay student, what is the app? An app is simply a piece of software, okay, that you can get access to and use through the internet. App is a short for application. Okay student, now in this chapter we learn about introduction to apps, different types of apps, commonly used Google apps, design and develop an app. Okay students, so let's begin. Okay, see here, app is a common term for an application. Okay, an app is a type of software, as I told you, that allows you to perform a specific task. Okay, it can be downloaded for a cost or even for free, students. Okay, application for desktop or laptop computers are sometimes called desktop applications. Okay, while those for mobile devices are called mobile apps. When you open an application, it runs inside the operating system until it is closed. You can have more than one application open at the same time. Got it? Now two types of apps are there. First is desktop app and then second is mobile app. What is desktop app? Desktop app is used for desktop laptop computers. Okay, there are many desktop applications like Microsoft Word, clock or calendar app, web browsers like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Safari. Okay, these all are the desktop apps. Now mobile app. Mobile app is used for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Examples of mobile apps are Gmail app, available for Android and iOS devices. Okay student, and Instagram, share photos with your friends and families, and Duolingo, quizzes, games, learn new language. Okay, these all are the apps of mobile app. Okay, now student, no more. Another type of app is a web app. Okay, that is accessed via the web browser and it adapts to whichever device you are viewing them on. They are not native to a particular system and hence do not need to be downloaded or installed. Okay, it is not needed to download it or also installed. Web apps need an active internet connection. Okay, it needs internet connection in order to run. Okay, whenever mobile apps may work offline. Okay student, now where to get apps from? In the context of mobile apps, almost every platform has a repository where its user can download both free and paid apps. Okay, for example, the Google Play Store and Amazon App Store are two places where Android users can download mobile apps. iPhones, iPod, touch devices and iPads get apps through the App Store from their devices. Okay, now desktop apps are available from the Windows Store for Windows apps and the Mac App Store for Mac OS. OS means operating system. Okay, now Google Apps. Google Apps are a suite of web-based messaging and collaboration applications that Google hosts on its own servers. Google provides these applications as a service. Okay student, Google provides these applications as a service, yeah, and instead of as a software to download and install. Okay, to access the application you simply use a web browser on a computer that's connected to the internet. It needs internet. Okay, without internet it can't run. Okay students, now following are the best desktop and mobile application owned by the Google. This is the app and this is the description. First is Gmail. This app, I think everyone knows what is the Gmail. Yes students, this app offers email facility with real-time notifications, multiple account support and inbox search. Okay, now search, ask questions and find out the answer via the list of websites. Okay, now photos, you can organize your photos and videos also. Now do you one-to-one video calling on both iOS and Android? Got it students? Now maps, help to navigate the places in town and get the real time traffic information. Okay friends, now YouTube, famous, this is the famous, very famous, yeah. Discover, watch and share videos, subscribe to channels you love on any device. Okay friends, now Chrome, simple and secure web browser to browse internet on all your devices. Okay, it is secure and simple also. You can sync tabs across devices, search by voice and save data while browsing. Okay student, now Drive, a safe 15 GB online storage. Okay, with how much GB? 15 GB online for all your files, and you can access it from any device, anywhere and anytime. If you want more, so you can buy it. Okay, you can buy storage device. Okay, by the paid. Now Calendar, get flights, hotels, concerts, reservation and meeting alerts adding to your calendar automatically. It saves times and make the most of every day. Now Docs, you can easily create, edit docs and also collaborate with others from any device, anytime, anywhere. Now Sheets, work on spreadsheets from any device, create, edit and collaborate with other on spreadsheets from your phone or tablet. Now Slides, create and edit presentation online and also collaborate with others from your phone or tablet with the free Google Slides app. Okay, now Translate, speak, scan, type or draw to translate in over 100 language. Okay, this is the Translate. Now student, connecting home, to control and monitor gadgets at home using Google Nest. Okay, Wear OS by Google, make every minute matter, track fitness, stay connecting, stay ahead. Okay, now developing an app. How we can develop an app? There are many app development software available on internet. Okay, you will learn to create an app through AppyPie software. This app is free to use and you can create your own app in just a few minutes. Okay, now to design and develop an app, follow these steps. Step number 1, type www.appypie.com in the address bar. Okay, now step number 2, click the create you free up button. Okay, this is the window of AppyPie. Okay, here it is also written app maker to make an app without coding. Okay, this is the first screen. Okay students, now step number 3, enter the name of your app, whatever you want your app name, so you enter the name of the app. Okay, now step number 4, choose a category, the fits best. Suppose you choose education and whatever you want. Suppose you choose business and anything. Suppose you choose shop, whatever you want, so you can choose. Okay, choose a category. These are the categories, whatever you want to choose, so you can choose. Now step number 5, choose a color scheme. These are the colors, so you want to choose whatever scheme, so you can choose. Okay students, now step number 6, choose the mobile operating system to test your app on. Select which device at least your app on. You have Android mobile, so you can choose Android. If you have iPhone, so you can choose iPhone. Okay, now step number 7, click save and continue. Okay, then you can click save and then go to continue. Now step number 8, sign up the accounts. Okay students, now step number 9, enter your verification code. Okay, enter your verification code. Then step number 10, customize the design and app info. You can customize here whatever you want to design. Okay, now step number 11, after the changes, click save and continue. Okay, now step number 12, add information related to relevant pages. Okay, test your app before going live. Okay students. Okay students, now let's revise. WhatsApp web apps needs an active internet connection, okay, in order to run, whereas mobile apps may work offline. Okay students, now Google Apps are a suite of web-based messaging and collaboration application that Google hosts on its own server. Okay, so this chapter I have finished, and exercise of this chapter I will provide you in PDF. Okay student, thank you, stay home and stay safe.